Welcome to Explurger, a social media app like no other. All you need to do is sign in using this page. You can also sign in using your Facebook, Instagram, or Google account. Now, as you log in, you may sync your contacts to see who among them is already on Explurger and start following them. You can also invite your friends, family, etc. to join Explurger. Next, you will land on this Explurger wall. You may follow people from this suggested list, or you can also hit this button to search for your friends, family, or people you may wish to follow. As you start following your fellow Explurgers, you can see their pictures, videos, Explurgers, miles traveled, and even the level of Explurger they are at. Now you can give 1 to 3 kudos, say something, or spread their post across Explurger and other social apps. Tapping on their profile picture or name, you can check out their detailed profile, travel history, and more. Moving on, now it's time for you to create and spread your own Explurgers. How? It's simple. Just tap this button, upload a picture or video, add various effects, preview the post, say something, and press this spread button. And that's how you tell the world about it. You can also share your future travel plans. Just select a destination, the future date of travel, select the intervals at which the post must appear on your wall, and press spread again. And here it is, a live countdown timer to let everyone know about it. It also enables you to share the destinations you are traveling to on the go, via air, rail, road, etc. Or simply explurge into a country, city, or a place. And not only on Explurger, but on other social platforms as well. Here comes the fun part. Every time you explurge, this app automatically adds up all your miles, creating your detailed travelogue, as in continents, countries, cities, and even the places you have been to. And all this can be seen on the dashboard and also on your profile page for the world to see. Taking it further, your level of Explurger increases automatically as you explurge into a new continent, country, city, or a place. Also, an increase in your miles traveled, kudos collected, and with more people following you adds up to your Explurger counts. And there are many other unique features, like you can create your very own bucket list. Fill it with places you want to visit, or you can also find popular Explurgers around you and add them to your list. You can also filter the search category-wise, review them, and rate them as you explurge in. So what's the wait for? Get on Explurger, start explurging.